Hi everyone, I'm Srikanth. We are discussing programming in C language. The topic is about basics of C programming language. The today's agenda of this session is about character sets. What is character set? Like what are the different types of character sets like source character set, execution character sets with suitable examples we try to discuss in this session. What is a character set? The characters that can be used to form words, numbers, and expressions depending upon the computer on which the program is run. A subset of character is available that can be used on most personal, micro, mini, and mainframe computers. Several characters in C are grouped into some categories like letters or alphabets, digits, special characters, white spaces. Generally, be grouped all these becomes what? Source character sets. Another type like execution character sets. Example like escape sequences. These are all executed at runtime. The compiler ignores white space unless they are a part of string constants. White space may be used to separate words but are prohibited between the characters of keywords and identifiers. Here character sets is nothing but a set of characters used to construct words, statements, and so on. C language also has a set of characters which include alphabets, digits, special symbols. C language supports total of 256 characters. These 256 characters are what? Unsigned characters in C programming language. Up to 127 characters are what? Signed characters. See, these characters are available in ASCII chart. Already explained in detail about ASCII 7 and ASCII 8 charts in the previous video sessions. What is a character? It denotes any alphabet, digit, or special symbols used to represent an information. Use. The main use of these characters can be combined to form variables. C uses constants, variables, operators, keywords, and expressions as building blocks to form a basic C programming. Character set. The character set is the fundamental raw material of any language and they are used to represent information. Like natural languages, computer language will also have well defined character set which is useful to build the programs. C source character set includes the following characters like lower cases and upper cases letters of ISO basic Latin alphabets represented by small a to z, capital A to Z. We can use these alphabets while constructing a program in C program. Small a to z and capital A to Z. Decimal digits like 0 to 9 numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0 to 9 numbers are supported like a decimal digits in our program. Several graphic characters. These are all the various symbols supported as a graphic characters in our program. White space characters like space, horizontal tab, vertical tab, form feed, new lines. These are all comes under what? White space characters. Special symbols. These are all the several special symbols supported while constructing a program. It is available in our character sets in C programming like tab, new line space, null, bell, backspace, vertical tab, and so on. See, these are all the character set includes the several characters supported lower cases, upper cases, decimal digits, graphic characters, white space characters, special symbols added in what character sets while constructing a programming in C language. Majorly, these character sets like letters or alphabets, digits, special symbols, white spaces are categorized as a source character set. What is an alphabet? C language supports all the alphabets from the English language. Lower alphabets, uppercase letters together support what? 52 alphabets. Generally, a alphabet consists in English like 26, right? 26 alphabets, but combination of both small uppercase, lower cases alphabets 26, upper cases alphabet 26. Total 52 alphabets supported in a character set in C language. C accepts both the lowercase and uppercase alphabets as variables and functions in a C programming. Digits. C language supports 10 digits which are used to construct numeric values in a C programming language like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0 to 9 numbers. Total 10 digits supported in a C character set. Special symbols. C language supports a rich set of special symbols that includes symbols to perform mathematical operations, to check conditions, white spaces, backspaces, and other special symbols. Like these are all the various special symbols are supported in a C character set. White space characters like blank space, new line, horizontal tab, carry return, and form feed. These are all the white space characters supported in a C character sets. See, these are all combination of all these characters like alphabets, digits, special symbols, white space characters are called source character set. The character set consists special characters like we can find out some symbols like tilde operator, percent sign operator, vertical tab operator, at symbol, plus sign symbol, less than symbol, underscore symbol, minus sign symbol, greater than symbol, caret symbol, number sign symbol, equal to symbol, like ampersand symbol, dollar sign symbol, slash, left parenthesis, asterisk, backslash, right parenthesis, apostrophe, colon, left bracket, like quotation mark, semicolon symbol, like right bracket, exclamation mark, comma, left flower brace, question mark, dot operator symbol, right flower braces symbol. These are all the various symbols supported in a C language. Some white space characters like blank space, like backward slash B, like a backward slash T, like horizontal tab, like slash V, vertical tab, slash R, carriage return, slash F, form feed, slash N, new line. In previous example program I used, right, slash N represents what? New line. The text is going to be printing in output window in a new line. We go with what? Slash N. Backward slash N represents new line. Backslash, single quote, double quote, like question mark, null, alarm. So these are all the various white space characters and special characters supported in a C character set. Based on our requirement while constructing a programming in C, we can use these special characters and white space characters in the program. Okay, and ASCII chart. In the ASCII chart, I given detailed explanation in the previous video session in detail about ASCII 7 table chart and ASCII 8 chart. Here I included once again like ASCII control characters. These are all the characters. So generally it consists of 0 to 255 characters. These are all called signed and unsigned characters in the ASCII table. ASCII table again categorizes three different parts. One is called ASCII control characters, ASCII printable characters, extended ASCII characters. ASCII control characters 0 to 31 and 127 delete. These are all comes under what? Control characters. Using these words and using this ASCII code, we can able to control the program. Like these are all control characters, we may call it. ASCII printable characters, we can print these characters into the output screen. Like 32 ASCII chart, 32 to 126 characters are represented as what? ASCII printable characters. So we can also find some special symbols like digits 48, ASCII code 48 to 57, 0 to 9 digits are going to be added. Some other special symbols from 65, like 65 character, ASCII code 65 represents what? A. From 65 capital A to 90 represents what? Capital Z. In between all capital A to Z letters are English letters are going to be added in the ASCII printable characters. From 65 to 90 ASCII code, 65 to 90 ASCII code represents what? Like capital A, B, C, so on up to capital Z English alphabet added in the ASCII printable characters. From 48 to 57 represents what? Like numerical digit value from 0 to 9 number added in the ASCII printable character table. After that, from 97 ASCII code 97 represents small a. From 97 to 122 ASCII code 122 represents small z. Small a to z also added in what? ASCII printable characters. And coming to the extended ASCII characters, these are all the various extended ASCII characters up to what? 255 characters. From 128 to 255 characters are what? Extended ASCII characters. See, this is about ASCII table. Generally, it categorizes some control characters are there in ASCII table. ASCII printable characters, we can able to print these characters into the console, and some other characters like extended ASCII characters. See, we try to work out when we are discussing some looping or iterative statements. I try to print all these ASCII printable characters from 32 to 126 characters. We'll discuss in the program. Okay, so remember it about ASCII control characters, ASCII printable characters, extended ASCII characters. So the second type of character set is execution character set. Certain ASCII characters are unprintable, which means they are not displaying on the screen or printer. Those characters perform other functions aside from displaying a text. Best example like backspacing, moving to a new line, or ringing a bell. Examples. It is used in output statements. Escape sequences usually consist of a backslash. This is the symbol represents what? Backslash, and a letter or a combination of digits. An escape sequence is considered as a single character but a valid character constant. Execution character sets are always represented by a backslash followed by a character. These are executed at what? Runtime. These execution character sets are executed at what? Runtime. Further set name is what? Execution character set. So this is a chart consists what? Executions character set, like characters, escape sequences, some ASCII code like bell, backspace, horizontal tab, new line. We discussed right in the previous programs new line to print the particular text in the output window. New line. Then we go with what? Backslash n represents what? Escape sequence. Is a escape sequence is nothing but what? Execution character set. It's going to be executed at runtime. It is a line feed available in the ASCII control character tables. Vertical tab, form feed, carriage return, like quotation mark, like apostrophe, question mark, backslash, null, octal numbers, hexadecimal numbers. These are all what? Various execution character sets, escape sequences. See, these are all about. In this session we discussed what is character set, what are the alphabets, digits, special symbols, white spaces are supported in the C programming language. These are all the special characters and white spaces. ASCII table consists ASCII control characters, ASCII printable characters, extended ASCII characters, and execution character sets like escape sequences. See, these are all supported by what? C programming language. See, using these like C character sets, white spaces, letters or alphabets, digits, special characters, white spaces. See, these are all symbols and digits are used while constructing a C programming language. See, that's it for today's session. We discussed in detail about what? Various character set. Okay, thank you for watching my videos. Thank you all.